What is up, guys? It is Garrison and Karsten here, back with another video, and today we're going to the RC shop.
Hey guys, we're back from the RC shop, and now we picked out our RC cars and we're gonna unbox them for you guys. I decided to get the Everest 10 rock crawler because I like rock crawlers.
I'll pull down. Oh, that's sweet.
Oh,
That's sweet.
oh my god. It's got extra tire.
Like this.
Look at this. I got this side. Oh, this one's heavy on the outside. It's light on the side.
Look at this thing, guys.
That's nice. It even got an extra tire.
Yeah, that's not a tire.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. No, yeah, now I know. It's the radio. Yeah, it's the radio.
You
Well,
need your knife, Dad, for this.
now we just need to figure out how it gets out. There it is. The amazingness of the rock crawler. Okay, so what we have here is our battery, if you can see that.
That's the
Charger.
I believe.
I want the battery. Here is a nice radio remote, Red Cat.
This is cool.
Yeah, feels good.
Other hand.
And that's reverse.
Other hand.
This is go.
Not hard.
Okay, so I'm taking the pins off right now, and I'm gonna see what it looks like inside. So let's take a nice. Wait. There's 8. That's what it looks like, guys.
It's a nice four-wheel drive one
Yeah.
you got here.
Whoa, what?
It's nice. Look at that.
Karsten.
No, it's spinning.
Look at that, guys. Okay, guys, so we just got done watching Garrison unbox his. I'm pretty stoked about mine, so yeah, let's get into it. This is not mine.
Wait, what?
Where's mine?
Oh.
There we go. Now, if you guys don't know what this is a Rustler 4x4 DXL brushless motor. This thing is really cool. I really like it. I've been looking at it for a while. So yeah, let's get to unboxing it. So,
See this thing?
take the plastic out.
That's a little scratchy, but
Yeah, I don't like it. This is a controller.
hold it.
It's really nice. It's light. It's really
Can I hold
light.
that? Oh yeah, that's way lighter than mine.
We're just gonna check out the car.
No. Take the body off.
Take the booty off.
All right, but the pinless body is awesome because you just flip a switch and do it. This is our extra parts,
No.
and this is what the inside looks like. It's really cool tracks. This is how they designed this with the thing. And yes, if you're wanting to buy one of these, where is it? You're gonna want a battery and a charger.
If you're gonna want
So,
you need a 20 turbo.
this is the charger, and this is the battery. So yeah, that's it for right now, guys, and I'll see you guys when these things get charged, and we'll take them for a spin.